If you're on the verge of purchasing a computer for your home or office needs, do not shy away from mini PCs. These small and portable devices pack a lot of the power of their desktop counterparts and can be perfect for casual users, workstation users, and even gamers. Saving space without compromising on performance and features has never been easier with the best mini PCs on the market. So these are our 7 best picks. Apple Mac Mini. Let's start with a deal that's a good steal. Apple dropped an impressive update to its popular Mac Mini, boasting a new M2 chip with a lower price than the M1 model. This should be enough of a reason to attract most of us and buy the product. Apple claims this to have 1.9 times better CPU performance and 2.6 times faster GPU performance over the M1 model, keeping the Mac Mini at the top of our best computers list, especially when we compare it to more expensive machines. Beelink U59 Mini PC. The Beelink U59 is easily one of the better NUC-sized machines we've seen, and it's cheap enough for even the tightest budgets. This mini PC is built around the Intel Celeron processor N5105 with an option of RAM from 8GB or 16GB of RAM and up to a 512GB SSD installed. What seals this deal is the relatively low price of both the 8GB and 16GB models and the bloatware-free Windows 11 installation. Including dual HDMI outputs and the dual gigabit LAN ports are neatly positioned, ideal for providing product presentations or as a self-contained firewall. Intel NUC 13 Pro. We have an Intel Pro here on the list, and that is the latest, arguably the greatest NUC yet. The Intel NUC 13 Pro might not be the cheapest mini PC on the market nor a value for money one, but it's highly sorted with an absolute cutting-edge NUC technology that offers performance like no other. The Intel NUC 13 Pro takes the best silicon from the new 13th Gen lineup and packages them in the classic Intel NUC cases. Starting from Core i3 models and going to top-of-the-range Core i7V Pro processors, there is plenty for everyone's plate. Talking about performance, the NUC 13 Pro is said to be much quicker at multi-threaded tasks than its predecessors, as well as the performance of single-threaded benchmarks. The best aspects of the new NUC are the connectivity with Thunderbolt 4.0 and USB 3.2 ports and the near-silent operation. Apple Mac Studio. If you're a creative professional, the Apple Mac Studio is the best one for you in this lot. A beefed-up version of the already powerful Mac Mini, the Mac Studio is built from a single aluminum extrusion, with a square footprint and a height of 3.7 inches. That is too small and compact for a device this powerful. It can easily handle 8K video editing and the advanced AI-powered photo editing tools in Adobe Photoshop. And it does all this in near silence. The bottom line is that this is not just any other PC but a powerhouse of performance in such a compact chassis. Geekom AS. The AS6 is a different beast compared to the AS5. This might not be up there with the best of bests, but the Zen 3 Plus processor and DDR5 in this system can deliver a dramatically improved performance. Combining better bandwidth with DDR5 memory, a more power-efficient processor and a superior GPU, the AS6 has almost everything going for it. It has all-plastic construction and the same ASUS-designed interior layout where the motherboard is in 2 parts connected by a flexible ribbon cable. This helps to keep the weight down to minimum. Minisforum Venus NPB7. Just like the Intel NUC 13 Pro, Minisforum Venus also got early access to the silicon Intel 13th General, so that straight up makes the NPB7 a flagship of the Venus series, featuring the incredible Intel Core i7 CPU and with up to 32GB DDR5 RAM. Not a surprise. Just like the hood, it shares a somewhat similar design with the Intel NUC 13 Pro. Likewise, installing these parts is effortless. Just simply press the lid with 2 fingers on opposite sides to release the top in seconds. That makes upgrades easy and provides quick access to all the critical parts. This is convenience with ease. Overall, the power in this small system is daunting, with an impressive selection of ports that include 2 USB Thunderbolt ports and dual LAN. GMKtec NucBox K1. The NucBox K1 leverages the excellent performance offered by the Ryzen 7 6800H processor and its integrated Radeon GPU to an outstanding effect. With dual memory modules installed, the K1 is easily fast enough to battle the Intel NUC13 Pro and pounce any Core i5 or Celeron-powered machines. The other point that makes the K1 a complete package is that it comes with a USB 4.0 port. Overall, this is an amazing mini PC and has the performance to handle numerous tasks in the home and office. So that was everything about today. Which one are you having? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more.